My name is Reverend Sister Mary Rita Ogunleye, and this is my testimonial. I wish to start by thanking the Surgical Aid Foundation for the effort to see I received my cure from kidney stone ailment with little or no pain through the use of a laser lithotripsy machine. Without this aid, I would have had to go through the hellish experience of an open surgery for the third time. Surgical Aid Foundation is a hope to the less privileged and hope to the hopeless in our society. My hope was lost. I had the terrible experience of two major open surgeries for kidney stones removal. One was just one kidney within a month in 2016. It left a scar as big as the map of Nigeria on my tummy, and I was ready to go through the same experience for a lack of choice when I had the reoccurrence of the same kidney ailment on both kidneys this year. Since I knew that I could not afford the laser procedure due to the financial limitation of my congregation, my hope was finally regained after I was introduced to Surgical Aid Foundation through the help of Professor and Dr. Mrs. Titus Ibekwe, my host, and Dr. Atim, a urologist. The foundation, without hesitation, accepted to bear half of my cost of surgery, knowing fully well that I am just a poor Catholic nun with little resources available to my religious family, the Franciscan Sisters of the Immaculate Conception, Nigerian province. To compare my experiences, I would say that the open surgeries kept me in the hospital for 30 days. I was discharged in less than 48 hours after the laser procedure. While it took me a long time to get back on my feet and more than a month to resume work, for the laser surgery, I started working in less than 24 hours and was able to carry about my daily activities perfectly well in less than 3 weeks. The laser procedure is less painful than the open procedure. The laser procedure leaves no scar on the patient, while the open procedure leaves an everlasting scar and trauma. I wish to, at this juncture, thank the Kelina Hospital management and staff for doing the preliminary procedure for me as I look forward to the final procedure. Long live Dr. Ondie, long live Kelina Hospital, long live the Surgical Aid Foundation.